Lake Baringo has burst, and it seems it's due to the heavy rains pounding Baringo South Sub-County. As a result, learning in more than 10 schools have been submerged. In addition, 9 primary schools and 4 secondary schools are at risk of being waterlogged. 5 people have already been confirmed dead and 4,000 others displaced in more than 20 villages in Ngambo and Salabani locations. It is feared the number of victims could rise if the flash floods continue. Elsewhere, fresh produce traders in Nyeri County are a worried lot following the flooding of Karatina market. The traders and local residents claim the situation has been worsening due to lack of a proper drainage system and poor planning of the market. They are now appealing to the national and county governments to the dilapidated facility as they await the completion of the ultra-modern 4-story market whose construction has stalled for over 3 years.
Kutoka siku ile tulikuja tuko na miaka 7 na hatujasaidika hata kidogo. Kwa hivyo tunauliza tu serikali itusaidie tu kumaliza ile soko. Tumevumilia na tunaambiwa soko inaisha inatengenezwa, hatuoni kuendelea vile inaendelea.
And in KBC County, residents have expressed fears over a looming disaster from the current rains pounding the region. The rains have seen the town witness the longest traffic jams ever witnessed in the busy town.
Kama hili ya leo ilikuwa karibu tu kutuchukua. Ni Mungu tu ametujalia majira yake.
Imeanza kunyesha kutoka town. Nilikuwa na customer, nilikuwa nimefika hapo KBC hotel nikiteremuka. Hii maji kidogo initeremsha na mimi.
Small-scale business people are counting their losses after their wares were swept downstream at the Darajambili open-air market by raging waters.